Hi, second grade. Miss Nelson here, and today we're going to learn about some word endings. We're going to learn about ed and ing. We can add endings to action words or verbs that help tell when an action happens. Read the top word on the screen with me. Lift. I lift my notebook. The word is lift, right? Let's take that word lift and we're going to add ing. Okay? The word now is lifting. The ing ending names an action that is happening right now. I am lifting my notebook. Okay? Now, I'm going to move this ending over. Okay? This new word is lifted. The ed ending names an action that has already happened. I lifted my notebook. All right, let's talk about different sounds for the ending ed. Remember the top word lift? Let's add ed again. Read the word with me. Lifted. The ending ed can have different sounds at the end of words, depending on the final sound in the verb. Listen. Lifted. The ed adds a syllable, and it sounds like ed. Lifted. Listen to the next word. Helped. What sound do you hear at the end of helped? That's right. It sounds like a t at the end. So sometimes when we add ed, it sounds like t. Let's do one more on this slide. Okay, listen to the last word, filled. What sound do you hear at the end of filled? Yes, that's right. I hear the d sound too. The ed can make 3 different sounds: ed, t, and d. Some words have spelling changes when we add ed and ing. Read the top word with me. Hope. To add ed or ing to a word that ends in silent e, first we have to drop the e. Watch this. Okay, now I'm going to add my ed. Read the word with me. Hoped. What sound does ed make at the end of hoped? That's right. T. All right, now we are going to drop the e and add ing. Now our word is hoping. So you see how we drop the e before we add ed or ing. So sometimes we have to change the spelling of some words in a different way before adding an ending. Read the top word with me. Hop. Notice that this word has the CVC pattern and a short vowel sound. What happens if we add ed to this word? That's right. It becomes hoped. That's not right. When we add ed to a short vowel word that ends in one consonant, we have to double that we have to double the final consonant, like this. Now we have created the word hopped. Let's look at ing. Again, at the end of the word, if we don't add that extra consonant, this becomes the word hoping. We want it to be the word hopping. Now add in that extra P, and now we've created the word hopping. Great job. Sometimes it's easy to add an ending. Read the word with me. Dress. Notice that the word has the double final consonant SS. If a word already has the double final consonants, you don't need to double it. Just add the ending. Let's add ed. Dressed. Now let's add the ing. Dressing. Awesome work, second grade. Now we are going to read each word one line at a time together. Are you ready for line 1? Let's do it. Buzz, bill, fuzz, bell, hill, hiss. How are all of our words in line 1 alike? They all have our double final consonants. Awesome job. What else? We also have some rhyming words like buzz and fuzz, bill and hill, and they all have our short vowel sound. Let's look at line 2. Are you ready? Okay, let's read. Miss, missed, tape, tapped, tapping, and taping. Which words have endings that we added in line 2? Missed, tapped, tapping, and taping. Awesome work. How was the word tap changed to make it tapped? What did we do? That's right. We added our consonant and we added ed. Awesome job. Let's look at line 3. Softer, smaller, oldest, coldest, smallest, older. Guys, remember a few lessons back where we learned about adding ER and EST? Remember, when we add ER, we are comparing how many things? That's right, 2 things. And if we add EST, how many things are we comparing? That's right, 2 or more. Great job. Let's read line 4. Blink, clank, clump, stump, blank, stamp. Great job. Line 5, you ready? Chill, shell, chess, prank, champ, dill. Great job, second grade. All right, second grade, to finish out our lesson for today, we're going to blend and read these sentences. You ready? Will Bill and Roz miss the big game? Now you do it with me. Will Bill and Roz miss the big game? Let's look at sentence number 7. The van puffed and bumped to a stop. Your turn. The van puffed and bumped to a stop. And last sentence, boys and girls. Bill fretted until Roz fixed the hose. One more time. Bill fretted until Roz fixed the hose. Awesome work today, second graders. See you next time.